Behind every great vacation experience are the people who make it possible. Each year, the American Resort Development Association, or ARDA, recognizes those individuals. And this year, 18 Grand Pacific Resorts finalists were among them. Our finalists also had the opportunity to unwind and build meaningful connections along the way. They took time to relax and recharge, all leading to the ARDA Awards Gala, where 6 of our finalists were named winners, placing them among the absolute best in the industry.
Being recognized, that's an industry, is a career highlight for me. It's something I'm going to cherish forever.
Significa mucho orgullo porque están reconociendo mi esfuerzo, todo mi desempeño.
The hard effort is being recognized.
These honors reflect the passion and care these finalists and winners bring to every experience and the moments they create for every guest.